everyone! I'm going to share a story with you. In this story, a little girl named Taylor builds something amazing and it's knocked over. A lot of characters try to help her, or they try to tell her what they think she should do, except for one, the rabbit. The rabbit is like a school counselor, and we're going to talk about why at the end of the story. Hope you enjoy. The Rabbit Listened by Corey Dorfield. One day, Taylor decided to build something new, something special, something amazing. Taylor was so proud. I mean, look at it. It's really amazing. But then, out of nowhere, things came crashing down. The chicken was the first to notice. Oh, cluck, cluck, what a shame, what a shame. I'm sorry this happened. Let's talk about it, cluck, cluck, cluck. But Taylor didn't feel like talking, so the chicken left. Next came the bear. Grr, roar! Horrible! I bet you feel so angry. Let's shout about it. Grr! But Taylor didn't feel like shouting. So, the bear left. The elephant knew just what to do. Trumpet-ah! I can fix this. We just need to remember the way things were exactly. But Taylor didn't feel like remembering. So, the elephant left. One by one they came. The hyena said, let's laugh it off. The ostrich, girl, let's hide and pretend this never happened. The kangaroo, tisk tisk, what a mess. Let's throw it all away. And the snake said, shh, let's go knock down someone else's tower. But Taylor didn't feel like doing anything with anybody. So eventually, they all left until Taylor was alone. In the quiet, Taylor didn't even notice the rabbit, but it moved closer and closer until Taylor could feel its warm body. Together, they sat in silence until Taylor said, please stay with me. The rabbit listened. The rabbit listened as Taylor talked. The rabbit listened as Taylor shouted. The rabbit listened as Taylor remembered and laughed. The rabbit listened to Taylor's plan to hide and to throw everything away and to ruin something for someone else. Through it all, the rabbit never left. And when the time was right, the rabbit listened to Taylor's plan to build again. I can't wait, said Taylor. It's going to be amazing. Sometimes hugs say more than words. I hope you enjoyed that story. A school counselor, that's what I do, is like that rabbit. I'll listen to you. I'm not going to tell you what to do. If you have a problem, I'll help you. We'll work together and come up with some different solutions to those problems, some things that will help. I'll listen to you if you feel angry, if you're upset, if you're worried, if you're having feelings that make you upset. And I'll provide suggestions that may help, but it's up to you. All the other animals tried their best to help. They weren't trying to mess up Taylor's block tower or make her feel bad. They were trying, but Taylor just needed someone to be there, someone to listen to them. That's what I do. I will see you guys next week, and I'm so happy that you're learning with me today.